Hi, everyone. We are happy to share some exciting news. Our brand new AI assistant is now live on my pseguide.com, your one-stop destination for everything related to Photoshop elements. Whether you want to learn about new features, explore creative ideas, understand specific tools, or get quick troubleshooting help, this AI assistant has you covered. It is powered by the latest ChatGPT model, so it brings you the most accurate, up-to-date, and relevant information about Photoshop elements, instantly and for free. You can ask it anything like, what is new in Photoshop Elements 2026? Tell me more about the Insert Object feature. What are the system requirements for Photoshop Elements 2026? And that is just the beginning. You can go even deeper by asking follow-up questions, exploring guided edits, or discovering creative project ideas, all within seconds. So go ahead and try the AI Assistant today on my pseguide.com. It is fast, easy, and completely free to use. If you find it helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Photoshop elements and creative photo editing.